I am Kunal and I am here to demonstrate you how to create your own Amazon EC2 instance using like Amazon Web Services. So I have come to aws.amazon.com and here I will create an AWS account. Now I have already my account, so I will go to my account, then AWS Management Console. So if you don't have an account on AWS, you first need to create an account. So here it is asking me for my AWS credentials. So I will write my credentials. You need to write your credentials and login. So I have already done that. After login, I will come to a page which will look like this. So here I can see I have EC2 services listed. So other things are all the other services that Amazon provide under AWS. So I'm going to launch an EC2 instance, EC2 micro instance. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, I have come to EC2 dashboard. So I have 0 instance running and I have option to launch instance. So I will launch instance. And here I have in quick start I have all the AMIs listed. That is a image that will going to create your server. So they have pre-installed images and they will start your server with these. You have option of Windows, Amazon Linux, SUSE, Ubuntu and lot of other options. All the details are already listed here. Some packages are installed in some of the AMIs. You can choose your own AMIs if you have, or you can go to Amazon Marketplace and select a particular AMI as per your technology choice. So I will start with the very basic, and what I will choose, I will launch an Ubuntu Server 14.04 LTS HVM. I am free tier eligible, so I will launch this instance. So I will select that AMI and it is showing me that for free tier I can launch T2 micro instance that will have one virtual core CPU and 1 GB of memory, and storage will be elastic block storage. That is the storage service that Amazon provides. Some other details are also listed here, that one CPU is a 2.5 gigahertz Intel Xeon family. Okay, that detail is pretty okay. So I will move to next configuration details. So I am launching number of instance, obviously one. I am opting for regular instance, so I will not take this. Network is VPC. It will launch inside a VPC, virtual private cloud, and everything is okay. You can change shutdown behavior to terminate. So if you shut down, your instance will be deleted. So I will not do this. Uh, I will suggest to better put it to stop. You can check for protect against accidental termination, so someone could not just delete it by accident. And enable CloudWatch detail monitoring. Additional charges could be applied. Okay, that detail is okay. So I will move to next step and add storage. So I have 8 GB. I can have up to 30 GB as per my free tier. So you can choose server size here. It will be better to choose here. Otherwise you have to additionally do a lot of things to add storage to EC2. So I will have 20 GB or I will have 30 GB of size. I will utilize the capacity. I will have 25 GB. It will be better. Okay, volume type, I will use general purpose SSD. You can choose whatever you want. This is very good. I will have SSD, and so this has IOPS, input output per second. So I have 75 IOPS as per my storage. So if I terminate it, this instance will get deleted, and I am not encrypting my instance here. Okay, I can add additional volume from this option that I will show you later. Next, I need to tag my instance. I will name it to Techie Kunal dev. Okay, next is to configure security settings. So here I come to a screen where I have my security group name and it's a little bit of description, and I have the server ports. So by default SSH port is open to connect server from anywhere. You can put your IP, then you will be able to connect from that IP only, but if your IP keeps changing, don't do that. Keep it as it is. Additional rules that you can add is HTTP if you are going to make it web server inside it, and you can add these ports later on also. So I have listed two ports, so when instance will be launched, these two ports will be open to public. Okay, so I'm going to review and launch. So I am reviewing all my settings here that I have done so far. Instance is T2 micro and 1 GB memory, 1 virtual CPU. Performance network performance low to moderate, that is okay. Two ports are open. Instant details 1 on demand. Storage type is 25 GB, GP2. Tags I have named it to Techiconal Dev, and I will click launch. So it will ask me to choose a key pair. So I am launching my first server, so I will create a new key pair and then I will name it to Techiconal Dev. Okay, so I will download a key pair. So that is my PEM key, that is very important. Keep it safe. Make some backups of it. Without you can you will be able to log in with this key. This key is as your password. So and I will launch instance. So instance is launching, and I have come to this instance. Okay, so instance is stated pending. So it is doing some background work. When this light will go green and status checks will get ticked, my server will be open to public and I will be ready to connect. So here I can see I have description tab that is showing me some details. They have some AWS instance ID provided by Amazon, instance state and private IP that will get that will Amazon will use this private IP for internal working. I have VPC and a lot of other things. So I have key pair name, owner and other things. I have public DNS and I have public IP. So I will use my public IP to connect to this instance. So far we have launched this instance, and okay, so let the status check go green. In this and in next tutorial we will see how to connect to this instance using this key. So far so good. We have successfully launched our first server on AWS, our Ubuntu server. Thank you.